Hello everyone. Today we want just continue one tutorial about the PLC mode of MS300 of Delta VFD. So we have two lessons about these tutorials. You can go and in my playlist just you can go in Delta. And here we have these two lessons. So actually, this one is one lesson. Delta VFD MS300 PLC function application, English and also Persian we have here. Today I want to continue that lesson, and I want also communicate by Delta HMI with my MS300. When I'm using in PLC mode, so completely I want to my VFD work same PLC. So I want to read input output digitals, analogs, and also I will write some logic inside some program inside my VFD. So that program we already make and we test, so it's working good. But I try to sometime I try to make RS485 communication, but actually don't work. So I found some reason, some problem I could. So I come to this, make this tutorial. So now we have MS300 VFD in PLC mode, and also I will communicate with Delta HMI DOP107EV. So for this, first about the theory, how what we need in our tutorial. Actually, we have two communication address when we use Delta VFD. We have Delta VFD, and also we have Delta VFD in PLC mode. So last lesson, last tutorial, we see so our PLC address is in 0935 parameters. So when communicate with with the with this software with ASP soft. So in communication we use and we don't use VFD address. We use of our PLC address. So if you are not using this address, so you will take the error. So also with communication, so when you're using Delta HMI for communication, also you have VFD and also you have the PLC. So if you want to communicate by PLC mode, so you need to use this address number 2. So this is not 2, this is the parameter of 0935 address. If you want to communicate by HMI with VFD, so parameters, so addresses, so start and stop command, so like this in PLC also mode, you need to use the VFD address. So in parameter 900 is starting, and this address you can read by HMI. So now, so first we will make one tutorial in PLC mode, but I will communicate by this communication address. So just I'm using VFD program inside the VFD, but I just only communicating this parameter of VFD by HMI. So for this, I will make one new program. Okay, I will choose my HMI. Next. COM2 I'm only using, but here I will use which I need to use. Maybe here I only use Modbus, and here I will use RTU hex address here. So okay, my PLC station address. So now is my VFD station address is 1 because from my parameter setting, so 900 is 1 now. Okay, and finish here. I will go and only what I want to hear, frequency, and start and stop. I will make and I will explain you after. So first I need to go link to read write. My frequency address is 200 hex. Frequency 2001. So this is my address. Okay. 0. Okay. So I'm just only using two addresses. So one is for frequency. So address is 2001. So by manual, this is my frequency. And other one just for operation command. So 230 here. For run, stop, and forward reverse here. Okay, just this is my first program. Just I will show you. So now I have this error. Now we will see what is my error here. So this is my my HMI DOP107EV. So I'm using COM2, and now this two wire is only for RS485 communication. So it's connecting with the number 1 and 6. So now I need to go. So parameter 900, my station address is 1. Now 03, no, 04, this one. 04 is 12. So what's the problem here? So now we'll keep like this. So how I cube this problem here, because my parameter is communication parameter is 0 over here. This one. Here we don't look. So now from me is 12. What is the 12 means here? I will show you. So this one. 12 is 8 and 1 RTU. Okay. So 81960 and 1. So this one. Also for don't forget for this, you need to go in. For HMI first, you need to go to PLC mode and PLC 1. Because in PLC mode you have two numbers, PLC 1, 2, and I think 0. 0 was off, 1 is run, PLC mode run, and 2 is 2 was PLC mode and stop. So now I will download again software and see. So we don't have error. So we queue for not no problem here. So now you can see I don't have a problem here. Now my frequency is 408 Hertz. Need to change one time. So it's not changing. So it's not working. Why? Because I think inside I have problem inside for my PLC for my drive. Inside I have program. So this problem also I want to cure. Okay. Now, because for operation command I will make just empty program and download, because this parameter for frequency and for operation command actually I have inside. For this one I think is not running here. So this VFD MS300 for test RS485. Okay. For communication, I will connect my USB here. And okay, this is correct from my drive. So about this setting, we already talked in last lesson. So in all lessons, system I will check one time. How it's working here. Okay. I will download this empty program. So it's correct because my HMI is communicating. So together you cannot use this problem we have. Now I need to connect my HMI communication with VFD. Otherwise, in one time you cannot communicate with this HMI and write program inside your VFD. Now you can see we can. So I have error. I don't have any EOU for this. Okay. So do you want to come back to yes, correct. So now I will communicate and I will see. I need to disconnect my USB. Okay. Now also I will show you. So now it's 5 Hertz from my HMI and my VFD also 5 Hertz. So I will change here. And 0. So it's changed. Now you can see here. So it's changed. So now what I can do now, I will give run command. So here I will write 18. Okay. So this my motor also is starting to work. So I will change frequency. I will change rotation. Now you can see. Also here you can see PLC mode is working, so no problem about the PLC mode. But I'm only communication by RS485 by my VFD. So which parameter, so how which things I can do here. And also in the operation mode and frequency command, I change parameter to RS485. So this is important also. You cannot change frequency when your parameter is with example with analog input or other parameters here. So I will give 1. Now you can see stop here. So this means why first time I from me is not working, because now in my program, so which program I make for my VFD, inside I have operation command and also frequency command. In one time you cannot use in PLC mode some program inside for frequency for change the frequency, for operation command, and also you communicate by HMI and so give operation command, so give frequency command. In second lesson, tutorial we will show you how you communicate completely with your PLC mode. So this is what's easily. So just you will communicate with HMI same to one VFD. So you don't have any PLC inside, but you have some program inside. So important things is here. First, you need to communicate by VFD station address and also which parameter in logical in PLC mode program. So you cannot use in your HMI, example your frequency, so operation command, other things. And also for programming, together you cannot program or simulation, and now I cannot simulate because now only one time you can use RS485 port for one reason. So example for HMI reason. So for program you cannot. If you want to program, so you need to disconnect your HMI and you program that. Okay, this was only about these things.